Hi, today I'm so happy. Guess what? Okay, finally, I'm going to my dentist to cut my stitch, and here it is. Just reached the chamber, and I think I have to wait for a few minutes. Okay, and for complete recovery, it will take some time. It's okay, it's fine. I'm happy with the treatment, and yeah, finally, it's done. And back to home. Okay, today I'm so excited for this review, and I think it's the best purchase ever. And I really feel so blessed that I have got the opportunity to create this kind of content which gonna help so much ladies, so much girls out there who are suffering from period cramps every single month. And I know it's so painful, but now it's over. Be ready to experience the most cozy, comfortable, pain-free, cramp-free periods. And here is the device. It is a magical device for cramp-free periods. And yeah, here it is. Oh my god, this is so pretty. It comes with a charging cable and a user guide. Actually, it's a heating pad by Beamy. Thanks to Beamy, this heating pad offers three adjustable temperature settings: 50 degree, 55 degree, 60 degree. You can choose the temperature according to your own comfort level and needs. And it comes with a adjustable uh, waistband, so no worry about the size because it can easily fits up to 56 inches. And this heating pad is very safe to use because it designed with a shut off feature. It will turn off within 30 minutes if it detects no movement, ensuring safety and preventing overheating. And the features are easy power button, warm switch, display, charging slot, adjustable belt of the 56 inches. Okay, here is the power button. There are three buttons. One is the power button, another one is the vibration button with four vibration mode, and third one is the warm button. It is so good. And for me, I think it's not an expense. It's an investment for cozy, comfortable, pain-free, cramp-free periods. You can go for it without a doubt. Not sponsored, my honest review. The product is the best product ever. And yeah, my dear ladies, my dear angels, just don't depend on others to pamper yourself. Do it by your own. Love yourself, pamper yourself, treat yourself like a queen, like a princess, because you deserve it. You are the best. Okay, this is a charging cable, and yeah, it is the best product. And thanks to Beamy actually. And okay, let's give it a try. I'm wearing it. Okay, this is the power button, and okay, it's the warm button. Oh my god, it's so cozy, so comfortable. For me, it's a steal deal. I'm so happy with the product. And yeah, the best part is you can wear it anywhere, either you're working, chilling, traveling, cooking, anywhere according to your own convenience. And yeah, this product is so good, you can go for it. Love you all. That's it for today. Bye.